Alright, update number 2 on the camper. Well, I was going to show video of us actually putting the rubber on, but there's a thunderstorm coming, and well, we can't really spend time making videos. So here is the finished product. Nice rubber roof. I got a 30-foot piece for the 25-foot camper. Laid it over the edge, glued down for now, but I'm going to put a piece of aluminum across the front and rivet it down. That'll keep it from moving. We folded it over the edge, put the original rain drip rail on. All the way around, down the back. This is the excess ahead, but it should last a long time once I trim off the excess rubber, but I want to wait until after the storm and maybe let the sun beat on it for a while. It'd be a lot easier if it wasn't on an aluminum roof. If it was on a plywood, newer roof, it would be probably a little easier because it's a little more solid. We couldn't actually step on this to push the bubbles out, but it doesn't look too bad. Only a few bubbles, which I'm going to push out with that little brush, but as you can tell, bit of a storm coming. Alright, well, I'll show you update number 3 in a future video later.